Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen Kay Tech. This is Anbreen and today I have bring for you an amazing information about a perfect reel system that can actually help you know the tips and tricks on how to earn money online. A lot of fellows out there like me are scratching their minds to know what the heck is this possible way to stay at home, enjoying family time, no job or boss's stress. I mean, all the possible me time you could enjoy, and at the same time you are having a passive income of up to 6 to 7 figures every day, depending on how much you are applying the tips and tricks and all the secret strategies in the right way. So this is not going to take you more than 2 to 3 hours a day after mastering all the techniques in a right way. So guys, this is not a daydreaming, or it's not something a fact. People are having huge and real results, and if you are someone who are also looking the same from the comfort of your home, then get this real earning system known as ENDGAME 2.0. And right now we are in the launching period, so don't delay to include yourself amongst those lucky online earning beings. So this is the sales page that is being displayed in front of you. There is a link down in the description box of this video. Once you click on it, then you will reach to the sales page that looks like this. Remember one thing, that in order to earn money online, you need to have a healthy converting traffic and a hot offer to present your traffic. Getting traffic is only a half of the battle, but the other half is to have a hot offer. Those are the two components that are needed to make money online, which the creator of this system has revealed the whole process inside ENDGAME 2.0. So the sales page of this system, as I told you, is this one. This means that these offers are proven to turn visitors into sales. You won't be throwing darts blindly. All you need to do is to spend 20 to 30 minutes a day to keep an eye on it, to ensure the method is running smoothly and rest is completely autopilot. Grab the product before the launch period has been finished and enjoy a gem of discounted offer on the front end, and after the launch period has been reached to an end, this discount offer might not be there anymore for sure. If we scroll down this page, then we would get some more details about it. So here's a small introductory video as well. If you want to play and listen it, you will come to know some more insight about it. So talking about the price of this software, that is basically a very small amount that would cost you, actually normally it would cost you $297 per month, but actually since we are in launch period, so you will only have to pay $16.93 one time. So if you could see, then you can further get discount on $16 or $4 you can get off more, and the actual amount you can pay is $12.95 one-time fee. So guys, this hot offer is only during this launch period. Once the launch period has been finished, then for sure this offer is not going to stay longer. Okay, maybe you will have to pay a bigger amount. So if you want to claim this offer, then simply click here and follow the instructions. It's very simple, and it's like just clicks away. So if you go down, then there are some more reviews about the real people who have been working and associated with this software. Okay, and some more details you're gonna get down, giving the insight about about the struggling marketers. Go check it out and get some more details if you want, and enjoy the product. So this was the complete understanding about ENDGAME 2.0. I hope you got the complete insight about the system in a nutshell that is virtually unknown in actual. Brand new method with full step-by-step training. Access the exact method where James, he is the owner of this product, got the fastest results he's ever seen. Rinse and repeat in demand for sure. Set and forget autopilot affiliate commission system with the 30 days money back guarantee if you don't see the results. Go and check it out, the link down in the description box, and we hope to see you inside ENDGAME 2.0. So if you like this video, press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in another video. Till then, bye.